Do you set goals? Okay. I try to set goals. I set daily goals. I set weekly goals. I don't really set yearly goals. I don't think that far out, but the monthly goals kind of take care of the yearly goals. I know where I want to go, which I guess is a yearly goal. I guess that is a goal because I know where I want to go. It's just how am I going to get there? And getting there is the monthly goals and the daily goals and the weekly goals. And I have a to-do list. I keep a to-do list on me. I always have something going on, a little piece of paper telling me A, B, C, D, one, two, three, four, what I want to do today, what I want to get done today, what's more important, and I got to knock off the most important thing that's on that list every day and make sure I get it done. Uh, the other thing too is making sure that you're concentrating on money making activities, okay? Because you can get sidetracked. You sit down at your desk, at your computer to do some work, to create some content, to do some posts, to schedule some posts, to answer some emails, whatever you're doing, and you get down the rabbit hole. You get into the TikTok or you get into the shorts or you're watching reels. Next thing you know, an hour went by and you didn't know what happened. And you didn't get anything done. So you have to put limits on stuff like that for sure. Okay. You also need a to-do list for your content creation. If you're trying to do this as a side hustle, right? You need to have blocks of time allocated. So I was getting up an hour early in the morning and I was going to bed an hour late every day, whether the kids were playing sports, whether the kids were whatever they were doing. I was getting up early and staying up late, taking those 2 hours a day, and I was working 2 hours a day to try and learn. You always try and learn something new every day, whether it's watching a couple of YouTube videos, getting into a mastermind group like we have on Sundays and Tuesdays, uh, or a Zoom call or a clubhouse room or somewhere where there's people with experience that are just talking about what they do all day. You know, you don't. It's not about getting a course, which courses are cool, and everybody. If you want to get a course, that's fine. It's a structured way to. It's a path to follow, basically. Okay, it's not guaranteed. Courses are not guaranteed, and that's like a lot of people will poo-poo on courses because a lot of people take courses and don't take action. You know,